Hello all, Vinod here from Entrance Engineering Academy. Before going into the video, I just want to say a few things about Entrance Engineering Academy. So EEA is an online GATE preparation portal, and we offer full course for GATE ME and XE. In addition to that, subject courses are also available for ME, XE, CE, and PI. Engineering mathematics course is available for all stream, and in addition to that, we offer online test series for GATE ME and XE also. So this is our website. You can just check out so that you will get to know more about us. And in addition, we have our own Android app and also iOS app, and you can just go through that also to know more about our courses. Okay. And this is our last year, that is GATE 2021 result from XE. Hello all, Vinod here from Endurance Engineering Academy. So this is one tip which I wanted to share with you. Actually, this tip has worked for me. I'm not sure that for how many of you, because how many of you this tip is going to be helpful. Why I'm saying that, why it is worked for me, and I have a doubt that for how many of you it will work. You just go through the video fully, you will understand it. Okay, right? So basically, this is a tip which you need to follow when you are going to revise it. But make sure that you are going to you have already prepared your short notes properly, and if you start writing your subject test, and if you start writing your online test series, then make sure that you already prepared your formula notes also. Okay, so regarding formula notes, that is, or formula notes or formula chart, okay, or simply micro notes, regarding that also I already made a video. Short notes also I already made a video. I will attach it in the description. And third one, periodical revision. Basically, this tip is going to be useful when you are doing your periodical revision. What is that? Simple. Okay, what I used to do, okay, I used to prepare my short notes properly without any problem at all. So when I was preparing, and I believe that this is something which is going to work, okay, for most of you, but for few of you it won't work. I am accepting it. Okay, so check it and find out whether it is working for you or not. Take the short notes, go to a balcony or go to your terrace and start walking. Okay, instead of sitting in the same place and reading it, go for a walk and keep your short notes with you in your hand and you revise it. By doing this, you are going to do many things. Okay, the first thing is you are going to refresh yourself. You will be refreshing yourself at the same time. You won't waste your time. Okay, so refreshing yourself, but at the same time you are not wasting your time in watching YouTube videos or watching some some unnecessary things, some entertainment related things. Of course, you have to watch online lectures because that is where everyone is studying now. So you have to go through that. But if you start getting deviated, for example, if you wanted to take rest, and then for taking rest, if you start seeing some random videos in YouTube or some random videos in Facebook or some random post or something, okay, in social media, if you start doing it, that is something is not going to make you, that is not going to refresh yourself, honestly. See, why you are getting tired basically when you are studying, you are going to concentrate on something, you are watching, you are using your eye for majority of time in watching video lectures or attending some classes, whatever. So your eye needs some rest. If you keep on doing that, watching video lectures and those things, then automatically what will happen, your eye will get tired, stress in the eye and also stress in your mind, everything. And again, for removing the stress, if you again watch a video, if you again play a game, or if you again do something which is related to which is also giving strain to your eye, okay, so that is not going to helpful, right? So that is why this suggestion, take your short notes or even take your notes. Okay, nothing wrong in that. You would have gone through a lecture, right? So some 1 hour lecture you've gone through, or some 2 hour lecture you have gone through. Okay, now you are about to take a rest. What you can do, take that notes, go for a walk. Okay, spend some 15 minutes, go through everything, whatever you understood in the last 2 hours. So this is going to help you in revising the things which you studied recently. And similarly, if you want to revise it, if you want to follow this for your periodical revision also, you can do that. You can take your short notes and you can go for a walk and you can study. Just make sure that there is no obstacles or something which is present before you. That is, make sure that the space you are going to go for a walk. Walk means don't think that you will be going to a park or something. Just take some 100 meters. Okay, maybe terrace will be the best place. Okay, just if you have lights, terrace, or if it is in the evening or if it is in the morning, it's going to be terrace. Or if you are even balcony, if you have some space, it's not, you don't need some large space. Just Walking means I'm not asking you to run or I'm not asking you to walk fast. Just hold the paper or the short notes in your hand and go for a small walk. Okay, so by doing that, you will get refreshed because you are walking automatically. Physical exercise is something which will automatically will make you to get refreshed from whatever the work you are doing. The second thing is you are not wasting your time still. You are revising it. You are revising the things which you studied. So something like you will get all the advantages. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So instead of sitting in a place and reading the short notes, doing this will help you. Okay, will help you in refreshing also, will help you in revising also. I hope this tip will be very useful for you. Okay, so another important thing is if you want to take rest, don't, that is obviously, I will suggest you to take a rest. I will suggest you to take a break in between preparing, but don't take break in a way that you will start watching a video or you will start playing, okay, with some games or something. That is not going to help you. If you want to take a break and don't do things which is going to be related to your phone or which is not going to be related to your system or something which is away from it. Okay, that is something which is going to help you. So this is one of the way by which you can stay away from your phone, you can stay away from your laptop for some time. That is so that you can reduce the strain in your eyes. At the same time, you are going to revise it. So it is like two advantages in one thing. It might work for few of them. Walking and studying won't be that much suitable. Okay, but for me it is suitable because when I was preparing, I used to sit for some 8 or 9 hours per day. Okay, so if I am sitting for 8 or 9 hours per day, that's not going to be helpful, right? So that, it's not going to be helpful completely for our body. It's not going to be helpful for mind also. Okay, you will become very lazy. So what we can do, what I used to do, we'll take a break every 45 minutes or every 1 hour or even sometimes 30 minutes depending on the subject which I am studying. And I will take that break. I will revise. I will revise my short notes or I will revise whatever I studied for the last 1 hour. Okay, so try following this. If it works, then it's going to be very useful for you. Okay, thank you.